Want to make a name invisible on Instagram but don't know how? Hi everyone, welcome back to Online Help Guide. In this video, I'll show you some quick and easy steps on how to make a name invisible on Instagram. So without any further ado, let's get started. Let's begin by launching Instagram app on your device. Then click on your profile from the bottom right corner of your screen. After that, tap on the Edit Profile button. Now remove your current name. At the top right corner of your screen, you can see tick icon. Click on it. Now tap on the Change Name button. And that's how you can make a name invisible on Instagram. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss upcoming videos.